Mai from Shih Tzus the Best, and today I have my daughter Ella here with me. Today is Christmas Day, so we both want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. I have a very special announcement to make. We finally hit our 100K subscriber, and we finally received our
Silver play button!
That's right, we received our silver play button. And right here is the box. I received this box about like a couple days ago, and I want to wait until Christmas Day so we both could open this with you guys so you guys could see. So we're gonna open this together. Oh, like that.
No, that was not what you did.
What's the easy way?
That.
Oh, like that. This is the easy way. Let's cut this part too. Okay. So we finally opened this. Are you ready, Ella?
Yeah.
You want to open?
Yeah.
You want to be the first one to?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Does it go? Oh God. I forgot. Oh my God. So.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
Wow. And there's a mirror in there. Oh, okay. So there's a mirror and I have a play button right in the center.
There.
And it says right here, presented to Shih Tzus are the best for passing 100,000 subscribers. Wow, that's a lot subscriber,
Yes.
Ella. Well, thank you everybody. I'm just so happy. This is like so much for me. Like, this is so big. So thank you everybody for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, because we will have a lot more fun video coming up in 2021. So thank you. Merry Christmas. Bye.